Assalamu alaikum students. In your previous class, you have studied that face value and place value table. So how to put the numbers in place value in your previous class we have learned. So here children, the number systems. Okay. So in a number system children, this is very important. In a number system there are two types of number systems are there. Systems of numerations are there. So first one is Indian system and second one is international system. So in a Indian system, large number, how to read large number, for example one large number is there, how to read the large number and how to put the commas and how to write the large number. In Indian system children, what happens here? I have taken one large number. What is that number children? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have taken this large number and how to write these numbers in a words. Okay, so use this place value table. Put these numbers according to their ones place, tens place. According to their place, you have to write the numbers in place value table. First you have to write 1 here, and second you have to write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here children, how to read these numbers in Indian system children? So this is I made here one group here, crores group I made here. This is for this is a one group. In lakh group, thousand group, and one more, that is 100, 110 and ones. This is also one group. So what we will do here? First I will make it, this is first group which is red in mark. Which one is there in that one? Ones, tens, 100. This is one group. And in second group, what is that? 1000 and 10,000. This is second group. And third group is there, lakh and 10 lakh. This is third group. And one more group is there, that is crore and 10 crore. Okay, this is fourth group. What I had taken here, what I made here, one group I made. According to this group, you have to put the commas. So first, ones, tens, 100. This is one group. According to this group, you have to put the commas here. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. This is one group. According to this group, you have to put the comma here. 1, 2, 3. This is comma. Okay. And next, second group is there. That is, in that second group, which one is there? 1000 and 10,000. Only two are there. Two digits are there. So what will you do children here? 1, 2. Two digits. After two digits, you have to put the comma. Okay. And next one more group is there. Lakh and 10 lakh. This is the third group. So how many digits are there children here? 1, 2, 2 digits are there in lakh and 10 lakh group. So what will you do? After this two digit, you have to put the commas. And next, this is fourth group. Fourth group, crore and 10 crore. So 2 digit. Here also 2 digits is there. No need to put the comma here. So here, these two numbers are there in which group children? In crores place is there. This is 98. How much is there children here? In this group, how much is there? 98. In which group? Crore. What will you do children here? 98. In which place children? Crore. 98 crore. And in second group, which number is there here? In the lakh place, which number is 76? Two digits are there. Which number is 76? You have to write here 76. In which place this children? 76 is there in which place? Lakh. 76 lakh Okay, and this is third group. What is that? What is that group? In this group also two digits are there, that is 54. In which place? Thousands place. 50, 50, 54,000, 54,000, and next 3 is there in hundred place, tens place, and ones place. 300, 321. You have to write here 300, 300 and 21. So how to read this, children? 98 crore 76 lakh 54,000 and next 321. According to Indian system, how to give the comma, children? First 3 digit, 1, 2, 3 digit. First from right hand side we have to put the commas. First 3 digit and next after 2 digit and next after 2 digit you have to put the commas like that. First only you have to consider only this first 3 digit. After this first 3 digit you have to put the commas, and next 2 digit you have to put the commas. Okay, next how to read, children? You know that 98 crore 76 lakh 54,000. Okay, and next 321. According to Indian system, how to put the commas, and how to write and how to read the numbers, large number in Indian system. Okay, and next one, children, in international system. In international system, this international system means other countries. In other countries, for example in America, suppose you take America, London, Paris, like that, any country you take, out countries. So in that, what is the table? Place value table will be the different one. Which so how to read this one table, children? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So here little bit, this in international system little bit different is there here, children. Totally different is there, this place value tables. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. See here, children, 100,000 is there. 100,000, after 100,000 which number is there? Million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this is the place value table which we will use to read in an international system. Suppose I had taken one number here, children. What is that, children? Same number only I will take 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This number only in international system. How to read this number in international system means other countries. For example, these numbers you are reading, this number only reading in America. For example, you have to put these numbers according to their place. First number you have to put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here what I had taken, children, here. So how to put the commas also here is there. So this is, I made here one group here. This is first group. Okay, in first group ones, tens, 100. So here thousands group is there. See here, 1,000 is there. 1,000, here also 1,000, here also 1,000. Here I have taken, this is a second group, and this is million, 10 million and 100 million. This is third group. Okay, so according to this table, place value table, according to the international system of numeration, in a place value, so How to put the commas, children? This is symbol of comma. You know that this is the symbol of comma. So first you have to put these 3 digits are there, 1 2 3. First 3 digit you have to put the comma, and next also this is one group is there. How many digits are there? 1 2 3. Okay, here also 1 2 3. It means what? First 3 digit, and next also 3 digit, and after that 3 digit you have to put the commas. So here children, so you know that 1 2 3 digit you have to put the commas, and next 1 2 3 digit put the commas. So here children, 987. First this number you have to read. 987 in which place this is? This is a million. Okay, this is how to read million. 987 million. How to read this, children? How to write these numbers? 9 987 987 in which place, children? This is million. In which place? Million. Okay, 987 million, and next 654. 600, this group you should have to see this. You should see this group 654. 654 in which place, children? Thousand place. You have to write that. What is that? 600. 654. 654. 654 is there in which place? Thousand place. 654. 654,000. Okay, this group is over now, and next one more group is there, that is 321. As it is, we have to write. What is that, children? 321. 21. Okay, what are the difference, children? Here this is a place value. This is a place value table used for reading the international system of numeration. If any large number is there, you have to read in international system, means according to this table only you have to put the values and put the digits in according to their place value table, and you have to write this millions in which group is there? Millions group, thousands group, and one more group is there in that 100,000. 100 tens ones will be there. So understood, children? If you are not getting, means you can say I will explain one more time. I will explain. Okay, thank you.